Kung maaari po si VP ang sumagot.
Has this been responded to adequately, and has the COA deleted this finding in the latest report?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, Director Sanchez of Administrative and Financial Services will answer the question.
I just want to understand how these two programs are working together.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, Ms. Baloro, the Director for Operations will answer the question.
How do you work with the OTR?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, Undersecretary Lopez will answer the question.
And how is the program being affected by the increase in fuel?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, Mr. Kelvin Tenido, our Budget Officer, will answer the question.
Madam Vice President, during the 6 years of your term, ano yung ipopursue nyo na primary mandates ng inyong opisina?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, Yusek Lopez will answer the question.
Mr. Chair, Madam Vice President, if you don't mind. Mr. Chair, it's a general question kung anong primary mandates ang ipopursue ni VP during the 6 years of her term. So kung maaari po si VP ang sumagot. Kung ibig nyo pong sabihin, yung binanggit nyong 3 permanent projects, the permanent office, the VP's museum, and the omnibus law or charter, bawat isa sa mga ito gagastusan ng confidential funds ng opisina nyo?
Yes. Mainly, the confidential funds, as I said, is for the safe, secure, and successful implementations of the programs, projects, and activities and engagements of the Office of the Vice President.
Thank you kayo, Madam VP. Just to make of record also, continuing from yung pagbanggit ko sa 2015 joint resolution na what the confidential funds may only be used for, nakasulat din dun sa 2015 joint resolution na confidential and intelligence funds cannot be used for salaries, wages, overtime, additional compensation, allowance, or other fringe benefits of officials and employees who are employed by the government in whatever capacity, or elected officials except when authorized by law. Confi and Intel funds cannot be used for representation, consultancy fees, or entertainment expenses, or construction or acquisition of buildings or housing structures.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi malinaw kung paano gagamitin ng DepEd ang napakalaki na confidential budget na ito, na mas malaki pa sa confidential fund ng mismong DND.
I do not respect Ms. Castro and Ms. Ontiveros. I have no respect for them.
Hindi ko kailangan na ang respeto mo, VP Sara. Ang hinihingi ko sa iyo ng taong bayan ay accountability. I-account nyo na lang kung para saan ang hinihingi nyong confidential funds. Kung hindi mo kayang irespeto ang mga katrabaho mo, irespeto mo man lang sana ang paggasta ng pera ng bayan. Higit 1 linggo na mula nang nag-hearing tungkol sa confidential funds. Pero mas marami ka pang patutsada kaysa sa paliwanag.
Nakita niyo na mga guys? So dito po, nagsa-self-destruct po si VP Sara. So hindi po totoo yung sinasabi sa itong mga DDS na sinisiraan daw at meron daw demolition job kay Sara. So hindi po siya sinisiraan, kundi sinisira po niya ang kanyang sarili po. Gusto lang po yan sa issue yung issue ng confidential funds. Hindi po yan na-depensa ng maayos. Doon pa lang At doon sa kanyang mga pagsagot, mga kaibigan, na hindi po niya nasasagot yung mga issues, mga tanong na dinabat sa kanya. At madalas po, mga kaibigan, ang pinapasagot po niya, ang kanyang BIOSEC or ang kanyang ASEC, which is hindi dapat kasi siya po yung DepEd Secretary. Kahit pa paano mga kaibigan, dapat po meron siyang alam tungkol po sa mga programa ng DepEd. So doon pa lang pangalawang issue na yan. So yung confidence po ng mga tao, mga kaibigan, nawawala. Kaya nagsaself-destruct po siya. Hindi po siya dinidemonize. Hindi po siya sinisiraan. Hindi sinisira po niya ang kanyang sarili. Dahil po sa kanyang mga ginagawa. Diyan pa lang po nasisira na yung kanyang political career. How much more kapag pinag-usapan ka natin yung mga iba pang issue. Diba?